Hello everyone, my name is Carla Caceres and this is my sales pitch to my principal to buy equipment, physical education equipment for my class. I would provide a copy of this purchase quote and explain that it stays under the $500 agreed budget. Also that this quote includes the shipping and the taxes, and that this vendor takes purchase orders. Also, some of this equipment can be shared with the other grade levels. I would emphasize on the standards that I can cover with this equipment, which is a little bit of all the different standards for a fourth grade class, and hope that my principal would say yes for me to buy this equipment.